Yeah, good morning, everyone. So, yesterday, though US market came off, but the futures were very strong, mainly on account of one of the court in the US has considered tariff imposition by the president as exceeding its power under Emergency Act. So, and asked to restrict that tariff, but the US government will be going for appeal against that order. And the matter can get delayed because first it will be going in appellant court, and then if even there also the government loses, then it will move to the Supreme Court. So it's a long process. It's not like the things has changed today. But yeah, definitely sentimentally it has changed the uh, directions, and definitely it has created one more element in the tariff volatility, that there is a possibility that this tariff may not be able to sustain. So overall, it looks positive for the market. And apart from that, yesterday Nvidia result has also come, and that was ahead of expectations, and that has also supported the market. Nvidia was up by around 5% in both market. So these acted quite positive for the market, and that is also even acting positive for the even Asian market. So most of the Asian markets are positive. If you see the commodities, oil is up by around $1, and apart from that, other commodities are marginally up or down. Uh, Dollar index is showing some sign of reversal. It has moved above 100 now. It went down as low as 97, but we are seeing in last few days some reversal happening. So one need to be watchful. If we see dollar appreciating sharply, then quite possible we may see some selling by the FI. So need to be careful about that. Uh, that's all. Now I'll request technical team to take up from here.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Good morning, all of you. Yesterday, Indian market ended a slightly lower side, but Nifty managed to sustain the first important support zone, that is 24,740, and yesterday comfortably closed there near the support zone. Today we expect gap up open if Nifty again break 24,840 in upper side. Then we expect momentum towards about 25,000 level. Maybe seeing 25,100 is a majorly resistant for index. So we expect some positive momentum today's session. Bank Nifty also sustain the support zone and upside intraday resistance around place around 55,770. Bank Nifty break this resistance, then we expect positive momentum towards 56,000 and 56,240 in upside. Downside 55 to 100 first immediate support, and 55 is a major support for Bank Nifty. The both index we expect positive open and remain a positive during the day. Uh, Stock PCP, Can Bank looks positive at current level. Union Bank also, PSU Bank looks positive at current level. SDFC Lives also given a good rally last few trading session, and this rally to be continue coming few trading session also. Negative side, Apollo Hospital showing some profit booking in higher range, and this profit booking to be continue today's session. Hindalco also struggle to break upper range, and yesterday saw some pressure in last half an hour to this pressure to be continued today's session also. That's it for technical derivative. I can carry on.
Yeah, thank you. Good morning, everyone. So on the derivatives front, as we are seeing that in today's session, GIFT Nifty is likely to open 70, 80 points on the positive front. But in yesterday's session, we have seen that the Nifty is likely to remain in the range one momentum. But against that, we have seen that the market-wide portion seems to be on the positive note. Overall, major sectoral changes we are seeing right now. Currently, the setups are looking positive. Only the concerning part we are seeing right now is the India Weeks and the overall the OI portion of the Nifty, which is trading at the higher level. It need to get a cool down before any stable move in the market. Currently, we will witness more range bound momentum in the market. Tomorrow's weekly closing is very much important as the rollover data will also replace, and how much portion is getting carry forward for the June is very much important on the Nifty front. If it is getting stable around 1.5 1.6 crore for the next month, then we will again witness the buying momentum on the index front. Currently in today's session in the first half, we might witness some liquidation from the upside level because the put call writer positions have got added up strongly in yesterday's session between the range of 24,700 to 25,000 strike. Against that, the put writer position is not much that heavy against the call writer position. So currently in the first half, we might witness some sort of liquidation on the index front with a support of 24,500 to 24,300 level. But on the stock specific and sector specific front, LICI, Hudco, Indian Bank, CAMPS look positive, while on the negative front, IRCTC, Chambal Fertilizer looks negative. So that's it from that front. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. On the result front, yesterday Deepak Nitrite Limited posted the result above expectations. Revenue grew by around 3% on a YY basis, while operating margins were at 14.5% versus 14.2% in the same quarter last year. Segment-wise, advanced intermediates has seen weak performance, while phenolics performed well. This is on account of good volume growth led by debottlenecking initiatives at the subsidiary level and the stable pricing during the quarter. The stock is currently trading at a PE of around 30 times to FY26 earnings. Dr. Agarwal's Eye Hospital posted the result. Result has improved for the quarter. Revenue grew by around 24% on a YY basis, while operating margins reported at 31.6%. The stock is currently trading at a PE of around 39 times to trailing 12 months earnings. Yesterday, Sumitomo Chemical hosted the con call. On the result front, the result has declined for the quarter. In the con call, the company, in terms of new products, the company has launched various new products in FY25, and it expects to launch 3 to 4 innovative products in FY26. There will be a normal capex for debottlenecking of existing products in FY26, and going forward, it aims to revise back its normal capex trend, where it will focus on expansion of manufacturing for more products and additional capacities. The management indicated healthy volume growth for the next year on account of forecast of normal monsoon and positive external environment, which will drive the overall demand. Further on the pricing front, it indicated stable performance, while it expects prices to improve a bit from these levels. So overall, this is positive for the company. Thank you.
Yeah, apart from this, few more results. So Cummins India has reported result which is ahead of expectations. Revenue came in 6% higher year on year, whereas EBITDA margin also came higher at 21.2% versus expectation of 19.4%. And last quarter 19.4% and last year 23.5%. PAT is also higher as against expectation at 521 crores versus expectation of 469 crores. Share is trading at 38 time FY26 earnings, so comparatively higher. So outlook is neutral. Then Steel Authority of India has reported the numbers, and the numbers were above expectations. Volume came in at 4.56 million ton versus last quarter 4.4 and last year 5.3 million ton. Volume came bit lower than expectation of 5.15 million, but the revenue came in at 29,316, which is higher by around the 5% year on year and up by 20% quarter on quarter. Even EBITDA has also, EBITDA per ton has come at 7,600 crores versus 7,600 rupees versus last quarter 4,600 and last year 6,500. The EBITDA per ton is benefited from the lower cost of operations, specifically coking coal. Uh, so outlook for the near term looks positive, considering that there is a further high increase in price, average price from last quarter, that is fourth quarter to first quarter. And also coking coal cost is also coming down and company got captive iron ore. So increasing iron ore prices are not likely to have an impact. So the stock is trading at around 8.2 time FY26 EV by EBITDA, which is bit higher on the higher side. So outlook from here looks positive for sale. So that's all from us. And I'll request commodity team to take up from here.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much. Good morning, everyone. So in today's session, gold prices are likely to open 1,000 plus down, and prices might test 94,000 on lower end, the June contract, and one should wait for a pullback till 95, 94,500, then initiate a sell with a stop loss of 94,800. On downside again, 94,000, 93,800 is the level where we are expecting, and in silver too, one can sell around 97,800. See, prices are resisting 98,000, 98,200 on a higher end. So selling with a stop loss of 98,500 is recommended. Again, on downside, 97,000, 96,500 is the level where one can book profits. Also, in metals, we are witnessing a range bound movement. So the June contract one can sell around 865 with a stop loss of 868, and on downside again prices are supportive at 860. So one can book profits at 860. If prices sustain below 860, then we might further witness a 3-4 rupees correction. And in zinc also, prices are supportive at 254, and uh, upside resisting at 258. So all in all, range bound movement. So trading within this range is recommended. And crude oil prices are expected to test 54, 50, 5500 on upside. So buying on dips is recommended around 5320, 5330 with a stop loss of 50 to 70. And in natural gas, we are expecting prices to test 295, 290. So any move till 312, one can initiate a sell with a stop loss of 323. So that's it from us. Thank you very much.